guys, I'm Barbie and this is my Didi. Barbie and this is my Angel.
Hi guys, I'm Angel and I'm going to show you how to boil eggs in the microwave. First you have to take a microwave safe bowl and then you have to fill it with water. Don't fill it full, just fill it half and put your eggs in it. Now put some salt so that the eggs do not break in the microwave.
Like that?
Yes, like that. Take it.
I can. Then I can take.
Yes. Now keep this bowl in the microwave. Now let's switch on the microwave. Now I am going to press the microwave button. Now I am going to set it in 7 minutes because I have many eggs to boil.
And it will do this.
And start. So wait for 7 minutes and then we will see that our eggs is ready.
I'm so hungry and eggs.
Okay, it's being ready in the microwave.
We're making eggs, isn't it?
Yes, we are making eggs. So friends, when you are alone at home and you are hungry, then you can boil the eggs in the microwave very easily. Now our egg is ready. You can see them. Now our eggs is fully boiled and you can eat them.
Subscribe. If you like our video, subscribe.
If you think that this video is useful, then please like it and subscribe. And press the bell button to see our future upcoming videos. Bye bye.